This video is about 5 different ways to review whether or not your large IFRS 17 project is on track and working well. First one I'll look at is deep analysis or review. This is a lot of documentation, a lot of analysis of the regulation, of all the things that need to be done, and analysis of whether things fit together. Definitions, checking things, it's a traditional way of doing things, looking through an issues log, questions and answers, and probably looking work stream by work stream, topic by topic, at reinsurance, at data, at consolidation, measurement, allocations, all sorts of things. And essentially it's a conceptual view of, do we think this will fit together by thinking about it. The depth of thought here is what may highlight whether or not the problems can be addressed in time. Another way is to actually build things and see if they work. Take a section of IFRS 17, take the reporting bit, or take the bringing in data, taking a certain bit and building a model in Excel or something, and check that in a practical, concrete sense, the different bits of it work together. And by taking a simplified version or by taking a section, it's a way of walking through things, and the practical nature of this could help you identify issues early and let you deal with problems early on, and therefore save time and money. Another way to check complex IFRS 17 projects is to get independent review. Get somebody who knows to check it. They will have a different perspective and a different set of assumptions, and they may use that to be able to check what you're doing and check that it will work. And this new perspective is a great way of getting insight and seeing things that won't work that you need to know about early. Another way to look at IFRS 17 is coaching, and essentially asking one person at a time perhaps, what would you like to have happen? What would you want? Getting them to describe that clearly. Perhaps that comes with constraints. I am not quite sure about something. You build up what you want, then you expand it. It's sort of a mental discursive model of what they want. This could be similar to the analysis phrase, or it could be more metaphorical. I want to get to there. I want to build something. And then a question like, and will that happen, can be a very short way of honestly checking your intuition and checking whether alarm bells go off, and say, well, I don't think certain parts of that will happen, and then getting into that and what needs to happen, and is there anything else about that. The coaching way of identifying is the approach, is the situation one that has problems that we can already know about and therefore address. Another way to check whether your IFRS 17 project is going well is to have workshops. Pick a topic, discuss it, do some questions and answers, and talk about whether or not something is feasible, what are the challenges, the risks and the issues, and if necessary, what needs to be done about them. This social method can spark different bits of the brain or get other people engaged, and that may yield valuable information. I hope these are useful. If you have any other way of looking at complex problems, please let us know in the comments. And if you're not connected, please connect with me on LinkedIn or give me feedback.